Hi, my name is Terrence Kamal Oates, and I would like to introduce you to an opportunity that will allow you to create residual income. That's an additional stream of income coming into your household, your bank account, your wallet or pocketbook. And there are no cost, no fees. All you have to do is purchase the daily essential items that you purchase anyway on a daily basis every day. Okay? There are items that are high technology, high quality, from toothpaste to coffee to vitamins to soap detergent to skincare. I mean, everything that you really need every day, this company has. And by using it, you are definitely building a profit-sharing revenue stream. And when you share it with your family and friends, then everyone benefits. It's a great company, but I know that you get hit with a lot of opportunities. So what I want you to do for yourself is to research it for yourself. I will leave the information on the screen at the end of this video as well, and in the text below. Please, you owe it to yourself. There's nothing to lose. No fees. Great quality, and affordable. Okay? Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will guide you through the rest of the process. Thank you. Peace, prosperity, and success.